going to show you how to adjust the settings on your Acura backup camera. This is a pretty standard backup camera here. You can kind of see it here. We just have the tune button, we have the selection button. I'm going to press that, and that is normal view. So see how the difference is? That's normal view, and we can select it again to change view. And with the normal view, you can see things that are right behind your car a little better. So anything that's right behind it. And now if we press the select button again, that's the top-down view. And this is good if you need to hook up a hitch or something, or if you need to see your car within the line, say you're in a parking space. Yeah, simple things like that. I'm gonna go ahead and press it one more time again. And I like this view. This is the wide view. So the wide view, that's best if you wanna see oncoming traffic coming from either side here. And you can kind of still see the background here. So again, this is the one I like best, and it shows the different lines here as far as directional and how far, you know, your rear end is from other vehicles and things like that. So again, that's the wide view, normal view, and then this is the top-down view. So this is an Acura RDX, and of course your car has to be in the reverse mode for this to be adjustable and viewable. But just a quick tip, hope this helps guys, and check out this next video.